Welcome to Josna's recipes, and this is how I make it. So let's make potato fritters or aloo chai pakode or aloo pakoda, and make it very simple for all those people out there, beginners and learners. Let's start. So for potato fritters or any fritters, we need besan. I've taken besan and I've added half a teaspoon, 1.5 cup of besan with half a teaspoon of salt and chaat masala. Half a teaspoon chaat masala. And now I'm going to add hot boiling oil, almost 4 tablespoons. So I'm adding hot oil. It should bubble up like this. It should be hot. And I'm going to mix it with my hand now after 2 minutes because it's hot right now. So after adding oil, I have mixed it all well together, and when I bring it like that, see, that means the amount of oil we have put in is correct. So there should be no lumps. Just mix it very well, and by then we are going to peel the potatoes and slice them and put them in water so that they don't turn dark. Here are my potatoes, peeled, sliced. They should be that thin, not thicker but thin, and not thinner than this because you should be able to lift it. So I've put it in water, and now let us heat the oil. I'm going to add water little by little and mix this well with no lumps, and mix it into a nice batter. I'm going to show you the consistency. So look at my batter. I mixed it well. You just keep doing this and look at the consistency. So the batter is ready. I have been stirring it very well, and I'm going to show you the consistency. And now we'll start frying our aloo bhajiya. So take one aloo piece and just dip it from both the sides, and then put it in the oil. Same way, again we'll dip it, see both the sides, then lift it and put it. So just be careful when you drop. Just dip it from both the sides, lift it and put it. So I'm not going to overcrowd this. Look at these. They have all puffed up so well. Can you see? And my oil is absolutely rightly hot, and my stove is on medium flame. Aloo takes little time to fry, so give it its time. Look at that. Now it is all ready. Look at the color, and we'll just put it on the tissue so that extra oil is removed. I'm going to show you one more time how to drop the bhajiyas. So our oil is hot. Just take one chopped potato, put it in the batter, twist it from both the sides, lift it and put it in the oil. Again, just put it on both the sides, lift it and put it. Even these are ready. So I'm going to take them to the side, let the oil drain, and then put them on the tissue. And look at that. Our bhajiyas are ready and as hot and crisp. And look at that. Can you hear that? They are crisp and nice, puffed up. So let me eat them fast before they get cold. So you guys take care. By then I'll get you another recipe of fritters. Bye bye.